Hello, today we are playing Don't Press the Button 2. This is another Don't Press the Button game. Button presser. I want to press the button. Let me press the button. Oh, I'm the button presser. So it shows a statue of someone who pressed the button. A zombie is coming fast. Get to safety. Oh, don't fall down. Ah! We survived. Oh, now use the button presser. What does that? That's pig. Is that Piggy? Boy, welcome to the dead spinner. Don't touch the lava. Really? Seriously? I didn't get invited to the death spinner. Oh yeah, so it's gonna be like that, huh? Am I the button presser? Yes, I'm the button presser. Oh, so our mission is to go down this rainbow slide. Whoa! Whoa! That was crazy. Let's go down again. Oh. Oh no! What just happened to you guys? Oh wait, what? Oh wait. Okay. Oh, we gotta go to an obby. We have to go through an obby. What? Whoa! Guess what? I failed. This is how it's gonna be, huh? No, what? How did I just fail that? How did I fail that so quickly? I don't have enough time. Yes. I'm never gonna stop running. Never. And there's no winners. No, I won. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen because that happened in uh-oh, what's that? You mortal humans will feel our power. Mirai! No, we have to get over here. Let's go over here. Okay. This is all your fault, button presser. If you didn't press that button, this would have happened in the first place. That's all for now. We'll be back. Some people wanted their heads to be popped. Pop. Ooh. Oh wait. Is she? Thought I pressed the button. Well, nothing happened. What? Wait, what's that? Who cares? All I care about is that unicorn. Earthquake! I caused an earthquake. Oh no, he caused the earthquake. Why did you cause an earthquake? Now it won't. I don't know how to control my screen. But what's happening to my screen? My screen's been. The lights went out. And the blue pattern. To turn them back on. Phew. She turned on the lights. Am I the button presser? Did I press the button? It's not showing me who pressed the button. It's not showing me who! I'm so curious! So curious. Oh no. The soccer ball it's gonna go down. Am I the button presser? Please show me what statue it will show me who the button presser was. Become tiny. I don't have enough Robux. Oh yeah, I was right. Who's ready for a fight? Let's fight to the death! And I died. I got hit by a sword. I got hit by a beep sword. Wait, how is it still on? How come it's not over? How come it's not over?
How come it's not over?
Wait, I'm gonna need something. Oh, I don't have enough coins. Go to the other side of the tightrope. Of the tightrope. Peep, this is so hard, Peeps. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna call you now, Peeps, because it's a cute name. And I won. No, I didn't win. It just took me to the other side. That doesn't count. That really doesn't count. You could do it. This is a party! A party! This is a party! Aw, man. I want it. Well, anyways, I'm gonna dance. Wait. We're tiny! We're so tiny! Oh my gosh, we're so tiny. I'm doing the tiny dance. Yes! How come I'm running so fast? Why is everyone getting smaller? Well, not anymore. What? Oh wait, no one died. You see? No one died. Wait, what? What? Wait, how come Baldi's not moving? Baldi's not moving. You just gonna stand there for no reason, Baldi? I think you're I think you're tired. Wow! We're jumping high. Wow, this was a good idea for me to press the button. Whoa. And the button presser is still me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What have I done? I'm gonna get crushed by a vicious wall. Oh no! How could I? How could I? Run! He's gonna get you. Who? What are you talking about? Oh, so that's what you're talking about. He's gonna get everyone, that hunter. That's what you're talking about. Wait. Oh no! It's a bomb! A bomb! Ah! It's a bomb! Oh! So that's gonna be like. Wow! Boulders! that was so extreme. Okay, I'm the button presser, am I? Did I press the button? Yes! So which one is it? Oh, I guess the wrong one is the white. Is it? Well, ow, 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 ah! We have to get back up there. Aw, man. It was kind of like an obby. Wait, why is it glitching? Okay, this is weird. The game glitched. Ah! What? I'm on the trampoline. This is so extreme. Oh, I want a coin. Give me that. I need a coin. Coin. The water is rising. Get to the top. Get to safety, I mean. Hurry before the water rises. Oh, and I died. I just want some. I want coins. I only have 15. Oh my gosh, I see the water. The water's rising. Oh, am I the button presser? Yes. Noobs. Like I said, that's not very nice of me. Again. 2, that's not very nice of me says. Wait, what's happening? What? Were those rockets? Oh, my hair! My hair's gone! Never mind, my hair's back. Telling you my real hair is not blonde. The lava's rising. Get to the top. And I'm not invited? You uninvited me in challenges? You uninvited me? I'm getting uninvited. And I'm going to save this up because you're uninvited. By the way, you've been uninvited. Because all you say, are all the same things I did. Copycat, shut up. Wait, why is everything black and white? Are we all supposed to be emotionless? Are we supposed to be emotionless? Who caused this? You caused this to be emotionless. A tornado's catching us all. A tornado. Oh my god. Whoa. We're spinning like monsters. It's time to race. 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm winning. I am the winner. Oh no! I'm not the winner. Yeah, I am the winner. I'm not the winner. I am the winner. I'm a winner. Yes. I am a winner. Wait, who pressed the button? What is that, a rainbow? I'm freaking out. Oh, he's the button presser. Uh-oh, what's happening? What? I turned everyone into big kids. This is where we all destroyed buildings and trained to destroy people. Oh, I made it too far. Okay. Wait, who pressed? There's dogs. Too cute. Too cute. The bridge is falling apart. Get to the other side. Oh no! Oh my gosh! I failed. This is good. Okay. It's Superman. Wait, what are you doing? Superman? Superman! Oh, you're dead. Use your gun to get to the top. Wait, what do you mean get to the... What is happening? What's happening? Oh, this is like a balloon. And I can't talk with my mouth full. Those are good manners. Good manners. Teach children how to be good while you're doing while being on a good thing. I mean on a important stuff. Everyone has hoppy boots. What? They're all so fast too. Wait, what else is coming our way? Okay, that was kind of hilarious. I'm gonna go right there, crossing the other side. Oh, there's a giant duck. Well, that was kind of. Ooh, I'm gonna go in the cannon while I shoot up in the sky, and I'm going to die. Aw, I want to. Simon says, yellow! I'm in yellow! Yes! Simon says, yellow again! Yay! Simon says, red! Simon says, pink! Oh, my favorite color. That's my favorite color. Simon says, yellow! Yellow again? I don't know what.
Girl, you are just one.
2 yellows. I have a yellow counter, and it's 3 yellows.
One happy girl.
Wait, did I?
I put your sand in here.
Ah! Phew. Bacon, you press the button just to make a unicorn. No, unicorn. Come back! Unicorn! What? I didn't even see that coming! Oh, those were rockets or missiles. Oh, that's my parents talking. Sorry. Yeah, they might always interrupt the show. Ooh, I made. Oh, so this guy made puppies. And why does this pose? Baldy, you're back. Wait. What did I? Oh my God! I made boulders. I just got bouldered. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I made boulders, everybody. Well, I want them coins. I want them coins. Pick a spot. Drop a nuke. Quarter yellow. Chosen quarter was yellow. Pick a quarter before time's up. The chosen one. Oh, I want the green. The chosen color was blue. I'm so good at this. Pick one before time's up. What? I'm chosen with the yellow color. Oh, wait, what's it? Where's the statues? Wow, there's rainbows. I've been surrounded by rainbows. And wait, get that stuff now. I really want some stuff. Some people want their heads to be popped. Oh! Okay. Oopsies, I made Baldy come back. Oh no. How come you're not moving? Baldy isn't moving. I think he's shy. What's the matter? Use your gun to jump to the top. I said gum, not gun. I know because he would be scared. Because he would be scared if I said that. Ah! Ah! That was okay. Oh wait. Oh man, I didn't get to the top. Why is everyone getting smaller? Oh, you're right.
Fiber today?
I think you did.
Oh yeah, because you got your.
Oh, everyone's big again! Yay!
Yesterday, I guess.
What? Good job!
Whenever I don't remember.
Wow, this thing again. I think we're in heaven. I think this place I took everyone to was heaven. Heaven.
Where's your water?
I don't know, Mommy. Sorry, she just interrupted the show.
I'm sorry.
Get to the other side to the top row. I made an omelet for you guys, and you must cross it. And it's the same omelet I did before.
I don't know what's going on with
They
your
could
carpet.
just
It's always going wild because it trips me every time I go in there.
Oh, don't listen to Mommy.
Never.
She just always ruins the show sometimes.
Straight now?
Yes! I got to the other side of the top rope. Beep, beep. Oh, no. Oh, no.
It might be because that blue thing is underneath it. I don't know.
Yeah.
It trips people. I almost fell forward on my.
Oh my goodness, don't do that.
Okay. Get ready. Oh, there was just sand on my eyes, and I had to get rid of them. Subscribe, or sand will be in your eyes too. Oh, I forgot it was a race.